name's Andrew Swain. I'm the president of the railway. I've been involved since the railway's inception in 1984, and I've been involved in a number of projects around the railway as well. I've worked on the steam locomotives, I've worked on carriages, I've worked on track. I've done pretty much everything there is to do, I guess, and it's a job that I've got a lot of passion for. We've got 5 kilometres of track that's operational at the moment and 5 kilometres that's unrestored from Murdoch to Baxter. What we do is we run trains every Sunday. We also do charters, we do driver experiences and other special events. We started in 1984 as a very small group, just with one purpose in mind, which was to restore a steam locomotive in a park, with the objective of getting that locomotive onto the Mornington line and running tourist trains on the Mornington line. It took us till 1986 to get the steam locomotive operational, and then we moved it onto the Mornington line in 1997. And from there on, we've been running trains on this line. We mainly run passenger trains here on Sundays, and they're very successful.
I'm Gregor Potts. I'm in the carriage maintenance group, and we deal mainly with carpentry and painting of the carriages. When I first got here in 2018, it was to remove all the outside panelling, and then the process is replacing it, and when you pull off timber you find there's more rotting timber underneath. So the further you dig, the further rot you find, and the hard part is you've got to replace the bottom bits first, the frame, and then work from that up, and it's been quite intriguing trying to do that in the correct order. I'm most happy with the final results, that we get them on the platform and the public get to see it and enjoy it, and I'm also happy with the number of young people that are very interested in heritage railways.
I'm Ben Swain. I'm the carriage manager here at the Mornington Railway. My specialities is mainly carpentry, joinery and spray painting, but I do a lot of other things such as sign writing, French polishing and the likes. 7CV was built in 1906 and it operated on express passenger services until as late as 1984. Then it resided at Seymour until 2015 when it was acquired by the Mornington Railway. And since then we've been working hard to restore it. I'm most happy with the fact that we'll be introducing another one of these rare vans into service. It has a sister that we run here which has gotten very sickly, and so it'll be a nice addition to provide a backup for it, and I always like to see new items being added to the rolling stock over time.
Well, the fact that we're actually here is primarily due to VicTrack, because this piece of land is obviously VicTrack's land. So we're definitely indebted to VicTrack for making the track available to us. The other thing VicTrack have also helped us with is carriages. Some of our rolling stock actually came from VicTrack. VicTrack also provide us with advice when we need it. So VicTrack have been really helpful to us in a lot of ways, and we're very grateful to have them as a member of our team.